This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. It's raining out. We have two very important car shows of the season tomorrow. So it's about time that we put the roof on the Murcielago, and I'm going to show you guys how that's done. As you guys know, the whole roof system for the Murcielago Roadster is awful. It looks awful. But again, it's very important to me that I get to these two car shows tomorrow. So I'm going to show you guys how it's done. But the first couple steps is we're going to start by removing this wind deflector. It's held on with two flathead screws, or they're not really screws, but you just turn to lock them, and we'll be able to remove that. And we're also going to remove the rear window piece and also pop the bonnet so we can snap the top on. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, we just have this, and we are going to unlock by turning, and it'll pop out just like that. So we're going to do that on this side and the other side. On this side, same thing. We're just going to take the screwdriver and gently turn it to unlock, and it popped out as well. At this point, you can grab the piece, and it's going to slide out of the middle here. Okay, now that this one is released, we just slide this out from here. And then this other side, we can just gently grab that, take that down. It just has a little post that fits into this on the head of the windshield. So now that we've done that, we're going to remove the back window. And okay, so the rear window on each side, you're going to see these buttons on each side, and you just press those in to release it and pull straight up. Unfortunately, I don't have a second hand, so I need to put the phone down while I do this, and then I'll show you what it looks like. And there is the rear glass removed. You'll notice that you have these holes here. They do have a special cover that you can open and close to hide those if you don't want to have a rear piece of glass in here. So the next step is we're going to pop the rear bonnet by just opening the engine bay, and we'll take care of that. Open this up, and then we'll be all ready for the roof. So here is the roof. So we're going to put this on. Again, I'm going to need both hands to do this, but once I get this on, I'll show you guys how this secures. So at this point, we mounted the posts for the top in where the rear view window was. So we are set there, and then we're going to extend this out and get this looking right, and then we'll install the side braces. So I still need to install the side braces, but what I'm doing is I'm locking down this particular point on the vehicle. There we go. And then there's going to be two buttons that lock, or three buttons. I apologize. We'll get those. These go to the back. So those are on in the back. And now we just need to put the side braces on, and then we are This set. Is the side brace piece. It's going to slip into a flap in the corner, and it also catches the edge of the windshield trim there, and it's going to lock down underneath this piece here on the side, and you just slide open this door. I've already opened it. And it's going to lock into place. And once your top is installed, it should look like this. There are points on the reinforcement ribs that actually will lock into a spot on the side rail that's underneath here. This is just held on with Velcro, so make sure that's secure. And then on the inside, you're going to want to make sure that everything's tight as well. So as you can see, the rib goes into that side piece. That one goes there. And there's like a huge gap there. Hopefully no rain gets in. And then you're going to have some adjustments here. You can turn this by loosening the nuts on each side, and you can make adjustments to tighten the roof. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Just one really big note that comes with this is do not exceed 100 miles per hour. Don't do that. Because this thing, I don't trust it. And yeah. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.